ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode. I'm Mark, this is HSG, and today we are looking at Kyle Golding's fully restored 92 Civic SI and Captiva Blue Pearl. Shout out to Automotive Anatomy right now.
It's a 92 Captiva Blue, which was only done in 92 on the SI hatchback. Picked this car up summer of 2021. As far as I know, it had been a South Carolina car since new. Was in pretty rough shape, had really bad hail damage on the driver's quarter. Both front and rear bumpers were cracked pretty bad, and had a blown Z6 in it. Literal hole right in the front of the block. So I made a deal on the car, brought it back home, and that's when I decided that I wanted to tear it all the way down to a bare shell and basically restore it. Yeah, so this is a JDM GSR. I really wanted to do a B swap, and I wanted to look, pretty much OEM, as OEM as I could get, which obviously I still have the manifold to get, but other than that, you'd never be able to tell. I wanted AC power steering on the car still, so I left all that, and yeah. And this is what we got right here. So yeah, these are just temporary wheels that I had at the shop. I am restoring a set of Mugen MR5s right now that I think I want to run on it for a little while. And who knows, maybe, change it up a little down the road. Still have, some small things here and there that I want to finish on it, but it's definitely a lot better than when I picked it up, so. But it got tore down literally to a bare shell. Engine bay, everything got sprayed. Nothing was in the bay, no interior, everything got taken out. I sourced a really nice OEM carpet for it, floor mats, stuff like that. But other than that, the car really wasn't terrible for what it was. Yeah, resto tuner, definitely resto tuner. The stuff that he's been coming out with for these cars is a huge game changer. It helps anybody in the restoration industry, really. Obviously, you can't go out to another car and pull a decal off of it to put back on another one, so having that stuff fresh is pretty awesome, and it's spot on. Literally, all the under hood decals are from him. You would never know.